Today, let me tell you the first time I fired up the Skywave X60 and felt that room vibrate with clarity and presence, I realized something. You don't just want louder, you want alive. And if you're the kind of person who notices when sound feels thin or flat, you already know you're ready for this. Before we go deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Here, like this with Dolby Atmos and true surround depth, the docent sits stationary in the charts forever. You know that moment when you're watching a big action scene or late night gaming and it sounds okay but never great. That used to be my norm. Then I switched to this system and everything shifted. Suddenly explosions had room to breathe, dialogue had clarity without pushing volume, and ambient effects felt like they were placed around me. That's not just louder, that's immersive. Having 7.1.4 channels means sound doesn't just come from one direction, it comes around you. And when that hits for the first time, you realize how flat your old setup actually was. You don't fight with settings anymore. You sit back and experience. Whether it's movie night that finally feels cinematic or game sessions that place you in the world rather than behind it, this system doesn't whisper details, it delivers them with confidence. It's not just about hearing a score, it's about feeling the weight and motion of it. And that wireless subwoofer, low end that acts like real bass, not just thumps. If you even have considering this, don't drift on hesitation to check price and stock now before fluctuations or limited availability make you second guess later. Some folks wonder if wireless means compromised sound. The twist here is the connectivity feels tight, reliable, and full-bodied, and no crawling lag, no hollow mids. Others think 7.1.4 is overkill until they experience object-based Atmos where every sound seems to live in its own space. One thing that surprised me most is how calm and confident the overall mix feels. You don't jump at every loud transient. You experience every moment as it was meant to land. Bass that doesn't haze the rest of the mix, surround depth that actually places sound clarity, that keeps dialogue natural, immersion that pulls you into scenes. Your setup finally feels complete and intentional. It takes up a bit more space than a simple bar. The highest heights depend on source material. At some point you stop comparing mid-range systems and just choose the experience you've already envisioned. Every time you circle back to weaker gear, you will find yourself thinking about this, because once you've lived with real surround depth, flat just feels like settling. So check that price, check that stock, and trust the feeling that has been nudging you towards something more. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and look back on wishing you jumped on sooner. This is the leap that makes sound alive in your space.